Hey guys, tonight I'm gonna do some grilled shrimp and grits. I've got all my ingredients. I've got the shrimp already peeled, some andouille sausage, bacon, onions, peppers, celery, tomato paste, some Worcestershire, flour because we're gonna make a roux, the grits, of course, with cheese and butter. We're gonna hit that shrimp with a little bit of Louisiana lightning. All of it is getting grilled up tonight on my Citra Aspire by Heston. I'm using my grill with 3 different setups for this dish. I'm gonna be making the bacon gravy over here. I've got direct heat with a low setting. Then I'm gonna grill my shrimp and andouille over medium direct heat. And then I've got the sear station on low because I'm gonna boil water for the grits. Start with the bacon, get that nice and crispy in the pan, and then add your holy trinity, the onions, bell peppers, and celery. Stir that till they're tender. In the meantime, let's do the grits. I've got water boiling and I stir in a cup of grits, cover it and let it cook. These are quick grits, it'll take like 5 minutes. Next, I'm seasoning up my shrimp and I'm gonna throw both those and the andouille sausage on the grill over the direct setting. It only takes a few minutes to cook the shrimp and a little bit longer for the sausage. Then we're gonna make a roux by adding the flour and some chicken stock and some Worcestershire. Then add tomato paste. I put in a whole can, but you can do as little as a tablespoon. Then to the grits, you want to add the butter and the cheese, throw in some salt and pepper, pull those off, set them aside. At this point, everything's going to be coming together at the same time. Check out those sausages. Your bacon gravy, nice and rich and tomatoey, it's ready to go. Slice up your sausages. Look at how juicy these are, and then let's ladle it up. Take those buttery, cheesy grits and spoon them right into the bowl. Then, oh my gravy, get that tomato bacon gravy and spoon that right on top. It's so luscious. Next, we are gonna add those slices of andouille sausage. Add as many or as few as you like, and then add some of that grilled shrimp that was hit with the Louisiana lightning for just a little bit of heat. Finish things off with some green onions sliced up for freshness, and that's how I do my grilled bacon gravy shrimp and grits.